Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a popular way to make money online, selling products. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or even build a full-time business, selling products online can be a profitable and rewarding way to do it. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. We'll cover everything from choosing the right products to setting up your store and promoting it effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start earning money by selling products online. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Decide what to sell. The first step is figuring out what to sell. Choosing the right product is crucial because it will directly impact your sales and profitability. Here are some effective ways to find the right product for you. Tip number 1. Identify a niche or passion product. Start by thinking about products that interest you. When you're passionate about what you're selling, it's much easier to promote it and stay motivated. Look for a niche that has dedicated buyers but isn't too competitive. For example, niche areas like eco-friendly home products, handmade jewelry, or even pet supplies have dedicated followings. Tip number 2. Look for trends and opportunities. Research trending items online. You can use tools like Google Trends or Amazon's best sellers list to see what's popular right now. Platforms like Etsy or Pinterest can also provide great inspiration for unique products that have demand. Tip number 3. Solve a problem. Products that solve a specific problem often sell well because people actively look for solutions to improve their lives. Think about things that make daily tasks easier, or products that meet specific needs, like ergonomic office accessories or portable workout equipment. Choosing the right product is essential, so take your time with this step. Research, brainstorm, and find something that aligns with both market demand and your interests. Step 2. Choose your sales platform. Once you know what you want to sell, it's time to pick a platform. There are a lot of options out there, and each one has its own benefits. Option 1. Shopify. Shopify is a popular choice for people who want a customizable store. It's user-friendly and has lots of integrations to help you manage everything from payments to shipping. Shopify does have a monthly fee, but it offers flexibility and control over your brand. Option 2. Amazon. Amazon allows you to reach a massive audience, but it's also a very competitive marketplace. They handle a lot of the technical details like payments and shipping, which is convenient. If you choose Amazon, you can either fulfill orders yourself or use Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) service, which lets Amazon handle shipping for you. Option 3. Etsy. Etsy is an excellent option if you're selling handmade, vintage, or unique products. It has a specific customer base that loves artistic and custom items. Etsy has a lower cost barrier to entry but limits the types of products you can sell. Option 4. eBay. eBay is known for both new and used items, so it's good if you want to sell a mix of products. It's great for resellers and allows auction-style or fixed-price listings. Option 5. Social media shops. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Shops, or TikTok allow you to sell directly through social media. This can be great if you have a social media following and want to reach people directly through your posts. Choose the platform that best aligns with your product type and target market. You can always expand to multiple platforms as your business grows. Step 3. Set up your store. Now that you've chosen your platform, let's get your store set up. 1. Creating an account. Sign up for an account on your chosen platform. Most platforms offer free trials, so you can start experimenting without an upfront commitment. 2. Branding your store. Branding is important, even if you're a small business. Choose a store name that's memorable and reflects your product. Create a simple logo using tools like Canva or Fiverr if you want a professional touch. 3. Choosing a template or layout. Platforms like Shopify offer customizable templates. Select a layout that looks professional and is easy for customers to navigate. Aim for a clean, modern design where products stand out. 4. Adding products. Upload high-quality images of your products. If possible, use multiple angles and lifestyle shots that show the product in use. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of each item. Remember, your product description is often what convinces a customer to buy. 5. Setting up payment and shipping. Ensure your customers can pay easily by setting up payment options like credit cards, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Make sure your shipping options are clear and affordable, as high shipping costs can turn customers away. Step 4. Price your products. Pricing your products is a critical step. You want a price that covers your costs, appeals to customers, and gives you a profit. Here are some tips for pricing. 1. Calculate your costs. Include all expenses: the cost of the product itself, shipping, platform fees, packaging, and any advertising costs. Make sure the selling price covers all of these costs while leaving room for profit. 2. Research competitors. Check the prices of similar products on the platform you're selling on. Try to stay competitive without underpricing your products. 3. Consider offering discounts or bundles. To attract customers, especially in the beginning, offer a limited-time discount or bundle items together at a special rate. This can help drive more sales and get positive reviews. Step 5. Promote your store. Promoting your products is essential to driving traffic and making sales. Let's go over some effective promotion strategies. 1. Social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are excellent for reaching your audience. Post regularly and use high-quality photos or videos. Engaging captions, stories, and behind-the-scenes content can help build a connection with potential buyers. Make use of hashtags to expand your reach and attract new followers. 2. Content marketing. Content like blogs, tutorials, or YouTube videos can help you attract organic traffic. For example, if you sell eco-friendly cleaning products, you could create a blog about sustainable living or cleaning tips. This helps you build authority in your niche and provides value to potential customers. 3. Email marketing. Encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. Once you have their contact information, you can send them special offers, product updates, and personalized recommendations. Email marketing is a great way to build long-term relationships with customers. 4. Paid advertising. Consider using paid ads on platforms like Facebook or Google if you have some budget. Facebook and Instagram ads can be targeted to specific demographics, so you can reach people who are likely to be interested in your products. Start with a small budget, monitor the results, and adjust as needed. Step 6. Fulfill orders and provide great customer service. Once customers start buying, your focus should shift to fulfilling orders and providing excellent customer service. 1. Order fulfillment. You can either fulfill orders yourself or use fulfillment services. If you're fulfilling them yourself, ensure that your packaging is secure and professional. If you're using a fulfillment service, they'll handle packing and shipping for you, which saves time. 2. Customer service. Excellent customer service goes a long way in building a strong reputation. Respond to inquiries quickly and make sure customers know their orders are being processed. If a customer is unhappy with their purchase, handle it politely and offer solutions like exchanges or refunds. 3. Encourage reviews. Positive reviews build trust with future customers. After fulfilling an order, consider sending a thank you message asking for feedback or a review. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to make money online by selling products. Let's quickly recap. 1. Choose the right product and platform. 2. Set up your store with high-quality images, descriptions, and clear pricing. 3. Promote your store using social media, content marketing, and paid ads. 4. Provide excellent customer service to keep customers coming back. Selling products online is a journey, but with dedication and smart strategies, you can build a successful online business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on building your online business. See you